Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a mini air compressor using a refrigerant canister and a refrigerant compressor. Let's see how I put it together. First, mark a spot on the bottom of the refrigerant canister. Then drill a hole so we can install the pressure gauge. Subsequently, we will proceed to drill an opening on the side wall of the refrigerant canister, aiming to establish the intake port for air transfer into the tank. Next, I'm using the refrigerant compressor as the main air supply unit for this mini air compressor. Now, let's screw down and securely fasten both the refrigerant canister and the refrigerant compressor onto the wooden beam. Concluding the entire procedure, we will proceed with the installation of the tire inflator gun onto the system to finalize operational capability and allow for pressure measurement. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.